Back to FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. I'm Flex, and today we're diving into a full top-down analysis on Bitcoin. We're going to start from the higher time frames, work our way down to the lower time frames, and check to see if we find any good setups. Now remember, this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Alright guys, it's currently 7:40 p.m. Eastern time, and the price of Bitcoin is currently at 118,200. And before we do the top-down analysis, I want to go over these two winning trades. The first one is on the 1 hour chart. I left you guys with a flag here with the possible measured move going to 116,161, and as you can see with this green candle, we hit that perfectly there. Now the next one is a big one, which was on the 4 hour chart. I anticipated on this red candle here that this could have possibly been an inverted head and shoulder. We did the left shoulder, we made the head here. I said we would reject, come down, make the right shoulder, and as we can see, we made the exact measure move. We actually went higher. The measured move was 117,948, and we went all the way as high as 118,375. So guys, congratulations to whoever took that trade. This is a big win for the FlexCandle community. All right guys, so now let's actually start off with the monthly chart, because yesterday we closed the monthly for September and we ended up closing at 114,048. The lowest we went down to was 107,255. The highest was 117,900. We ended up closing a green candle for September. The month before of August, even though we went as high as almost 125k, it was ended up being a red candle. So the bulls took over in September, which is usually a bad month. It was great, and so far for October we're having a green candle. So far we have the 21 moving average that moved up to 85,817. the stochastics RSI do look like they want to roll over, but you know, this takes a little bit long here on the monthly to see what's actually going on. On the 2-week chart, we see that the stochastics are on the way down. I'm starting to see a little curvature. I'm hoping that we'll be able to curve back up. The RSI is pointing up as well, and so far we are having a green candle here as well. 21 moving average is at 102,958. Now on the weekly chart, stochastics look like they were going to roll over. It looks like we're going up. On Sunday we closed a red candle above the 21 moving average. Even though it was a red candle, this is bullish, and so far we have a big green engulfing candle. We still have 4 days and 1 hour before this closes. Everything's looking pretty bullish at the moment. 3-day chart, stochastics look like they were rolling over. Now we're rolling back up. We are above the 21 moving average. This is bullish. The 2-day chart was on the way down. We didn't even make it to the bottom of the stochastics. We started rolling up. RSI is on the way up, and we're above the 21 of the 50 moving average. This is looking to me like a double bottom, so this is looking great as well. And the daily chart, we're closing this in about 20 minutes, and as you can see, we have a big green engulfing candle. We are well above the 21 moving average. That's currently at 114,285. Stochastics still have room to go up. Now we have to be wary that we might continue to go up, and then we might have to go sideways and let the 21 moving average catch up to price range. Taking a look at the other time frames really quickly. On the 22-hour chart, we're getting toppy. We're above all the averages. Again, we're getting far away from the 200 and the 21, so at some point we might have to come down and retest or go sideways and wait for the averages to catch up to price range. 12-hour looks good, 10-hour looks good, 8-hour we're above all the 200 moving averages. Again, this is perfect. The 4-hour chart, this is where I had the inverted head and shoulders that played out, and also the cup and handle play. So I'm going to get rid of this inverted head and shoulders since this already played out. I'm going to get rid of this flag from the 1 hour because that also played out. And now the last pattern standing is the cup and handle play that should take us close to about 125k, and I'm considering this a winning trade already because we got almost half of the measured move. We still have room to continue going up in the 4 hour. Let's see what ends up happening. The 21 moving average is currently at 113,910. Again, we might go sideways here, wait for the 21 moving average to catch the price, and then blast up from there. We also got this cross of the 21 moving average and the 200 moving average, which is bullish. And the 1 hour chart, stochastics, we're on the way down. We're starting to come back up. We're kind of doing like a rising wedge. 21 moving average is not too far. It's at 116,452. And on the 15-minute chart, we're above the 21 moving average, above all the averages, is looking bullish as well. Once again, guys, we're in the price range between 110k, 120k. And from the 3 patterns, 2 played out. The last one standing is this cup and handle play, and I'm expecting us to continue making that move up close to 125k. All right, guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe, and if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.